Hey, what's going on, YouTube? That was a frustrating day for a lot of us, and uh, frustrating week in general. But I just kind of want to remind you guys that it's basically a pattern of the market for this to happen. Um, and it's not right how it happens, because how it happens is this week it was basically big money taking their profits so that they can hide it in their Cayman Islands. They have to take profits periodically and throw them in the Cayman Islands, otherwise they'd have to pay taxes. You know, um, what's screwed up about it though is they always take their profits and leave a put position in place. They take their profits on the open market, so it tanks it. Um, and of course, when they allocate their funds elsewhere or buy funds into something, they do that on dark pools, which isn't cool. But it's that's how they work the system. It's bullshit. But I mean, if you look here, every September there's a sell-off, and that's just these greedy assholes taking their profits and putting in the Cayman Islands, like Citadel, just so that you know they're not found. They do it in masses, and with all the other ones are doing it too. That way, it's hard for anyone to track it or notice it because it's just it's market. Every September, there's a little bit of a sell-off, at least for the last few years. Every September, even this one had a little one too. For the last 5 years, a little sell-off every September. So that's on the Nasdaq anyway. Um, and so that's not retail investors. We don't move the market. We may move a stock every now and then together or whatever, but we're not moving the market. That's these guys. That's rich fuckers taking their profits, being greedy, all that good crap. So, uh, long story short, I expect next week either half of the week to be red or full green. But it's not going to be a full red week next week, not even close, because we're right about the end of that. We may have just hit the end of it because today wasn't too bad. Um, Another thing I want to mention is anyone who is playing IPHA, is it fucking ridiculous how quick they halt runners now and how frequent? I mean, they'll halt it when it's barely up 20% in the open market. Not even that fast either. Oh, halt, and then open it, and then it goes up another 5%. Halt. Open it, goes up another 5%. Halt. I wish they would do that when it tanks, but no, they don't do that. Bastards. Anyway, but I digress. AMC family, let's switch to that chart, shall we? Let's talk about that chart. I do believe that we are going to continue our upward trend next week if we can get volume in this stock. I mean, the volume today was pretty pathetic, to be honest with you. But I digress, like I said. Okay, let's go to the hour chart. Show you my indicators here. There's the mark where I called this last run, the start of it. It was one of the first, just so you know. But anyway, this is our point of support, our major support right here. $44 mark. Because we have support as of recent, a nice strong support as of recent, and going all the way back to June or July. Yeah, July. There's a hit bounced off support there, and there's a previous level of resistance also, and even goes further all the way back to here too. Is a good, strong, solid layer of support. So I believe that's our strongest point of support period. So I believe we'll bounce off that Monday if we can get volume in and continue our upward trend. And after that, We should scale up to just above 50 by the end of the week, I believe. Possibly higher. Anyway, that's my video. Like and subscribe. Sorry.